If equipped, the Lane Keeping Assist System, or LKA, uses a camera mounted on the windshield to monitor lane markings and vehicle position within the lane boundaries. When lane markings are detected and the vehicle passes over one without a turn signal being applied, the system applies torque to the steering wheel. A visual warning appears in the Instrument Cluster Display, or ICD. An audible signal may sound as well. If the vehicle continues to drift without driver intervention, the appropriate lane in the ICD will light up to further warn the driver. Lane markings in the display appear white when detected and gray when they are not. Keep in mind, LKA will remain in its previous mode even when you restart the vehicle. To turn it on or off, press the button at the end of the multifunction lever. The system will operate when lane markings are visible on at least one side and when the vehicle's speed is between 37 and 110 miles per hour or 60 and 180 kilometers per hour. The system will not operate properly in poor visibility, on excessively curvy roads, if the vehicle ahead is too close, when the turn signal is applied, or if the driver's hands are removed from the steering wheel. LKA settings can be adjusted in the radio system by selecting the Driver Assistance menu. Remember, LKA is not a substitute for safe driving. Always remain alert and pay attention to traffic conditions when using the system. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.